Hello everyone, here I am again with another amazing vlog for you all. Hope you're all good and doing well. So in this vlog I will gonna tell you about Bonfire Night. History of Bonfire Night for your little one. Before you take them into any celebration, it's good for them to know why it is celebrated. Bonfire Night in the UK is a tradition celebrated on November 5th that commemorates the failure of the gunpowder plot in 1605. It marks the failed attempt by Guy Fawkes conspirators to blow up the Houses of Parliament and assassinate King James I. Bonfires were lit to celebrate the king's survival. Though the first celebration in 1606 wasn't exactly a celebration of the king. Over time, fireworks were introduced and became a central part of the festivities, symbolizing the explosives that were never detonated. Today, Bonfire Night is marked by large community bonfires and firework displays across the UK, often featuring effigies of Guy Fawkes. Many people now attend organized public displays for safety reasons, for themselves and for their families. If you like this informational vlog, don't forget to give us a subscribe, like and share. Until then, bye for the next vlog.
And showing me say, I'm my bed.